much like the difference between a problem and an exercise, which is a distinction I learned from Dr. Titu Andreescu. An exercise is find this. Now, raise your hand if you can solve this problem. Anyone want to solve it right now? I didn't think so. So that's an exercise because you can do it, you just don't want to do it. It's a machine, not a game. So here's a problem that I got from clevermath.org. It's a very interesting site where you receive weekly problems and solve them to gain points. And the problems are interesting. If x plus y equals 1 and x squared plus y squared equals 2, find x cubed plus y cubed. You can't just apply a formula and get the answer. You have to be somewhat creative to figure it out. Here's an exercise. This one doesn't use numbers. Is this one fun? Or it doesn't just use numbers, but is it fun? No, because it's just a variation on a classic problem. Find all the roots of something plus something plus something plus something. If this is just something that you have to struggle through. If you know how to do it, then you can just do it immediately. But here's our problem. This is from the AwesomeMath summer program. It's been going there for many years now. It's a really great camp that's over just a few weeks there. But here's one of the problems from it. Prove that for all positive integers x, the last two digits of x squared are the same as the last two digits of x to the 22. Now, are the last two digits of 1 squared the same as the last two digits of 1 to the 22? Yeah. If you get a calculator, you'll find that 2 works as well. But do you really want to solve infinity exercises just to solve this problem? No, you have to have some way of getting creative about it. That is what makes something interesting when you're not just given a problem and say, you can plow through this problem. You're given something that's not always obvious.